This thing is hanging on for dear freaking life. Good morning, y'all. It's Tight Shirt, Terry Warfield. Come on, come say good morning, y'all. We about to go to school. No, you can't say piece of chicken grease because it's the beginning of the video. Say hi. Come say hi, Germany. Say hi. And we about to go to school. Today commences the first day of Apple Watch Ultra battery test. And now, if you missed, excuse me, if you missed my initial impressions of this watch, that is up there, all $799 of it. Now, I'm not doing anything crazy. We're not going skydiving. There's our smoke detector. Not going skiing or base jumping or nothing like that. Literally just being a freaking dad for the next 2 days. So today, I got to drop them off at school. I'm going to try to go get a workout in. I got to get my coffee first. Kenny got to be picked up from football practice. The wife picks them up from school. Then I got a men's group meeting that I go to on Tuesdays, and then who knows? So yeah, it won't be a super exciting test, but we're gonna see what the Apple Watch Ultra can do when it comes to battery life for the average user. Let's get it. That's the wrong time, Talia. It's not the end of the video. All right, as you see, we are at 100% to start the day off. Macho, what up, dog face? You got your Apple Watch Ultra on too?
Yeah, we both do. Yeah.
All right, I just got done hitting some shoulders and calves. I gotta hit arms for about 20 minutes. We are at 303 calories. We lost 6% during the workout. So we walked in at 100. We had 94%. Keep y'all posted. I tell y'all what, I love how big the screen is. It's so much easier to operate than even my Series 7 45mm. Alright, so I just finished my workout. Let's see, we are at 91%. I will say by now, my 45mm Series 7 would be probably at about 75% by now. This has been off the charger since, 6:45 this morning. And right now it is 12:10. So I suppose this is faring a lot better. 91%. It's been off for 6 hours. It's been through a whole workout. So now I gotta go get my wife some flowers because I'm definitely in the doghouse, majorly in the doghouse, and I gotta put some gas in the truck, and then I gotta edit. The kids have to get picked up one way or another, and then I gotta go to Men of Valor tonight and then edit some more after that. So I'll be checking in throughout the day to let y'all know how the battery drain test is going. And why is Siri listening to everything I'm freaking talking about? Nosy. Hey, I'm looking at some of y'all comments on this torn video about the Apple Watch Ultra I just uploaded. Y'all crazy. Hey, do anybody else upload videos to YouTube and literally watch them like 20 times after they upload it? Or is it just me? Anyways, it is 2:28 p.m. The Apple Watch Ultra is currently at 85%. Since I've left the gym, the smoke detector went off, but the only two things I've done since then is used it to skip through a few songs, and also I took 2 phone calls on it, so I haven't done much, but again, we're at 85%. You see the Thanos thing? I just Infinity Stones, but it is now coffee o'clock, so it all starts with coffee. I will keep y'all pizzosted. Oh, you like my Hello Pretty cup? Oh man. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Why is coffee so good? Can you answer that?
I found this on the web.
I didn't want a web search the answer. Sorry for the Justin white balance. It's cloudy and sunny outside at the same time. I want to talk practical real quick because I know that I'm not Apple's target customer for the Apple Watch Ultra. I accept that. I'm just a tech loving snob that wants to try new stuff. So I'm not doing stuff like scuba diving and base jumping and swimming with freaking sharks and all of that stuff. I'm just a typical Apple Watch user, probably just like you. And the reason I'm saying that is because some of you in the comments are going to be like, well, you didn't test out the Ultra to its full capability. Let me tell you something. I guarantee you 50% of people buying the Apple Watch Ultra do not care about all of the additional stuff that it's meant for when it comes to activity and active people. A lot of us just want the extra perks that the Apple Watch Ultra has to offer, such as the better screen, the louder speaker, stronger haptics, way better battery life, the looks of it, all of that stuff. Not everybody wants to go freaking base jumping and jet skiing with sharks and animals, okay? So I'm only saying that because I want to give average users an idea of what the battery life looks like. So let's take a call. Yes, Deuce.
Are you listening to me?
No, your mother is coming to pick you up.
Okay.
So you might want to call her to see where she is.
Okay.
Bye, Pooh Butt.
Bye.
Reasons like that. The louder speaker is why the Ultra is great. Is it overpriced? I don't know. I guess I'm going to figure that out. Am I keeping it? I don't know. But I just wanted to throw that part in there real quick before we finish this video off. White balance change. Yo, so I've been editing for a few hours and right now we are at 77%, if y'all can see that. So I'm actually headed to Men of Valor right now. And I've kind of told y'all about this group I go to. Basically, Men of Valor is just a men's group. It's a spiritual group. Where we talk about just, some of the challenges of being a man in today's world and finding our way spiritually, which is a new journey I'm on. So that's where I'm headed. We at 77%. I'll be here for at least 2.5 hours. So I'll check back in. I am using my GPS right now. So the watch is alerting me every time I need to make a turn and all that good stuff. So we'll see where the battery is at in a few hours. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so it's a new day. Last night I didn't want to bore y'all because I wasn't doing anything but editing, so totally not fun, totally not exciting. I did leave the Apple Watch Ultra on for sleep tracking last night though, because your boy is trying to get into a better sleep pattern and I'm trying to figure out what's going on at night because I wake up several times a night and all that stuff. So I did leave that on, and right now it is around 1:00 p.m. the following day, and we are at 46%, which is crazy for an Apple Watch. That is absolutely insane. I know other fitness trackers and watches do have way better battery life than even the Apple Watch Ultra, but for Apple Watch, yo, this is freaking bananas. So again, I know I haven't really done anything exciting last night or this morning except for edit, but my Apple Watch Series 7 would have been dead 2 times freaking over by this point. So we are still at 46% with plenty of day left, plenty of battery life left. And it's gonna be a wild afternoon. Let me flip the camera around. Hold up. Let me let y'all see my face today. So, are we underexposed? Do we need to bump that ISO? All right, we here. So, it's a lot going on today. As soon as the kids get out of school, Kenny got a football game. Deuce got to get picked up from practice. The kids got homework. It's a school night. I still got editing I got to get finished. I got to edit my own video too. So yeah, it's going to be a busy day, but I will keep y'all posted. Day 2, Apple Watch Ultra stress test. Let's get it. All right, the game just ended. We are at 34%. It is 6:50, 34%. So I think we're gonna get at least till tomorrow afternoon. But it's starting to rain, so I gotta put the camera up because I don't want to mess my microphone up. But yeah, you see it, 34%. All right, y'all. I just got my low battery notification about 20 minutes ago. There's the fire alarm. Right now, I am on 23% battery, and it is 12:10 a.m. So I'm about to let the Apple Watch Ultra track my sleep again, and I fully expect this thing to still have some juice when I wake up in about 6 or 7 hours. So I guess we're gonna see, but it's late. I gotta get some sleep. I'm exhausted. We'll see how the Ultra fares overnight, and until tomorrow, is it gonna make it 2 full days on a single charge, using it like an average person? I guess we'll find out. All right, y'all. It made it through the night, and I just dropped all the kids off at school. And as you see, we are still at 13%. So we have officially crossed the 48-hour mark on one charge, which is crazy for an Apple Watch. That's crazy. But I'm expecting this to last another few hours, so we're going to ride this train till the wheels fall off. I'll be back. All right, we are getting to that pivotal moment. 9% battery warning. Do we turn on low power mode? No. We're going to see how much longer this thing can last. All right, party people, I'm going to just go ahead and end this test right here. We are still at 5%, and this joint is hanging on for freaking dear life. The problem is I got to go to the gym. I do not work out without an Apple Watch on. I don't want this thing dying at the gym because I use this to skip through my tracks and stuff, and also to track my workouts. And I try to leave my phone in my bag because while you're working out, your phone is always a distraction, and I try to stay focused. So 5% left. I think it is safe to say the Apple Watch Ultra is GOAT status when it comes to battery life. Again, have other watches done it better? Yes. Before an Apple Watch, this thing, I'm going on over 48 hours. And I still have 5% left, and I guarantee this thing will last another 2 or 3 hours. So yeah, GOAT status, we made it past 48 hours. It passed the test. I'm very, very impressed with the Apple Watch Ultra. Am I keeping it? I'm not 100% sure yet. I made that very clear with the first video. If you missed that, again, that's right up there. But it's expensive, and I already got an Apple Watch Series 7. So for me and my typical dad life, the benefits are great, but I don't know if they're $799 great when Apple Watch Series 7 is also great as well. So yeah, I hope this video was enjoyable for you. I hope you got something from it or learned something. I'm gonna put this on a charger for about 15 minutes before I hit the gym. Gotta hit legs today, so I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace and chicken grease, tight shirt, Terry Warfield. I'm out. Love y'all.